In this video, I'll show you how to drip your courses over time so your students don't get everything all at once. So let's say you finish creating your course. But you don't want to dump all the lessons on your students at once. You'd rather release them gradually. That's where the drip schedule comes in. You can set when each lesson unlocks and even send reminder emails to your students. Here's how you set it up. Log into your website, click Courses, Edit Course. Then head over to the Drip Schedule tab. Hit Activate Drip, and you'll see all the lessons and sections listed there. Quick note though, you'll need to have your custom domain and bulk email activated first, otherwise Drip won't work. All right, now let's talk about the 3 Drip triggers. These decide how and when lessons are released. Student enrollment date. This one starts when a student enrolls, either by buying the course or using a coupon. Just keep in mind this won't work for free or private hidden courses. Student course start date. This kicks in when a student actually starts the course, meaning they take their first lesson. For both of these, the drip is unique to each student. It depends on when they join or start. Specific date. This one's different. You pick a date from the calendar and everyone follows the same schedule. Perfect if you want a group of students moving through together. Next up, you'll set your wait periods. Basically, how long students have to wait before a lesson unlocks. A wait period of 0 or leaving it blank means the lesson unlocks immediately. A wait period of 1 means it unlocks 1 day later. You can use any number you want depending on your flow. After that, you can customize the emails for each dripped lesson. Just tick the Send Email box under the lesson, then hit Edit Email if you want to personalize it. If you tick the box but don't edit the email, the default one goes out. If you don't tick the box, no email is sent. Simple as that. Once you're happy, hit Save to lock it all in. A couple of important things to know. Lessons drip out daily at 10 a.m. UTC +1. Emails go out around the same time. The lesson itself needs to exist at least 24 hours before it's scheduled to release. Drip can't be bypassed by students or even you, unless you turn it off. And try not to switch triggers in the middle of a course, it'll mess with the email settings. And that's it. That's how you drip your courses step by step.